Hi everybody, Ms. Albing here, and I'm going to be telling some farm animal riddles. Let's get started. Farm animal riddles. I live in a pen and my color is pink. I roll in the mud so you might think I stink. What am I? It's a pig. I am white with spots that are big and black. I like to eat hay and grass for a snack. I eat all day. I chew and chew. When I want something, I say, moo, moo. What am I? I'm a cow. Here's your last one. I'm fluffy and warm in my furry coat. Although we look similar, I'm not a goat. Farmers trim me, they turn me and pull. They don't stop till they get all my wool. What am I? I'm a sheep. Thanks for playing.